Hey, Amazon sellers, Francis here, Mary Marketing. Hope everybody out there is doing fantastic as always. So today's reel, Amazon verification issues. Okay, so I've done this in the past. This goes out to existing Amazon sellers or even new Amazon sellers that want to get onboarded onto the platform. So if you're a new Amazon seller, I would suggest contacting me. It's always a 100% free consultation, and I can get you set up all the way through. Look at your docs, make sure your documentation is 100% on point, and avoid any sort of headaches with Amazon, because that's typically the issue with new sellers. They submit a lot of stuff that's really not correct, and Amazon keeps saying no. All right. If you're an existing seller struggling with this, sometimes Amazon does re-verification checks. It does happen, guys. You need to be contacting me, because if you're submitting stuff to them that they're constantly rejecting, it could be game over for you guys, okay? They could just literally say goodbye. So let's get it done the right way with me on your side.